What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The very first article, Motley Fool, stimulus check update. Will a fourth stimulus check come from the Build Back Better plan? If you didn't know, Joe Biden just introduced the $2 trillion Build Back Better plan. And as we see right here, as some Americans, like just for example, Social Security recipients, await their third stimulus check to actually arrive, talk has already begun regarding a fourth stimulus check waiting in the wings. What does this mean? To quickly summarize, they're actually talking and negotiating about potentially including a fourth stimulus check package in an upcoming stimulus bill. Hopefully there is going to be a new stimulus bill or a part 2 to the American Recovery Plan. As we see right here, as of Tuesday, 50 Democrat members and at least 11 Democratic, meaning over 61 actual Democratic and Republican lawmakers, signed the bill saying we are in support and let's actually pass and let's support a new fourth stimulus check package. Right here, what is the Build Back Better plan? If you don't know, President Joe Biden outlined his proposal for a Build Back Better plan yesterday in Pittsburgh while final details are still being worked out. One more time, while final details are still being worked out, here's what we know so far. Basically, just if you want to look at the screen right here, this is all that will be included in this Build Back Better plan so far. I already made a video about it. If you want to check it out on my channel, I already made a video about it. I don't want to go word for word and read every single item, but real quick, I want to take the time to let you know I post daily videos, minimum 1 if not 2 videos every single day on my channel. Not only that, in every single video I give away free Amazon gift card. Almost 1,200 people have received free Amazon gift cards, and if you want a chance to win and receive a free Amazon gift card, then all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment an emoji. Any emoji will actually enter you in the giveaway, but you must hit that like and subscribe button. Like I said, daily videos, minimum 1 video every day, and daily giveaways in every single video. When this video hits 500 likes, I'll be picking a winner from the comment section, so make sure to hit that like and actually share this on social media. That's the very first article, Motley Fool, right here. Who will pay back for the Build Back Better plan? If you don't know, guys, basically Biden is actually looking to increase tax to 28% from 21%, which is absolutely crazy, guys. Not only that, the Biden administration is looking to tax hike up to $3 trillion to pay for both parties of the plan. As you see right here, you're literally seeing 33rd and a third, guys, 33.33% increase in taxes just to pay for this new stimulus plan, because it's going to be up to $3 trillion, as you see right here. American support, as I said earlier, guys, American Democratic lawmakers have high level of public support for Biden's actual rescue plan, and these same lawmakers actually are supporting another round of $1,400 direct payments. And as we see right here, guys, a Pew Research poll found that 70% of Americans supported the bill. So let me know right now in the comment section, do you support an additional fourth stimulus check? And should it be a one-time check or should it be a reoccurring check? I'm very, very interested to see what you guys comment below. I read every single comment. I literally like and heart every single comment. If I liked your comment, believe me, guys, I read it. And finally, in the Motley Fool article, will a fourth stimulus check be part of the Build Back Better plan, guys? If so, it will be a tough fight, guys. Republicans right now are not actually supportive, but every single day, trust me, I have a source that's inside Senate and Congress, guys. Every single day they're negotiating about it. They're having meetings, they're having Zoom calls, they're having phone calls. They are very, very deeply in talks right now, and it might happen. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. I always keep it 100% real. It's 50-50 right now. It's literally flip of a coin, right? It might happen, but it might not happen. But every single day on my channel, I will keep you guys updated. Daily news. Then we have this article right here, fourth stimulus check updates. If you didn't know, yesterday Joe Biden went officially on record, said, here's my new plan. We're literally coming up with the final, nitty-gritty details and small specifications, like I just said in the Motley Fool article. So they're almost done. They're about 75% done with the new relief Build Back Better plan, but there's still some time. There's still a couple weeks, and there's still, like I said, 20 to 25% to be complete, just small details. And Bernie Sanders and Warren are actually saying, let's actually include $1,400 direct stimulus checks in this new Build Back Better plan. And 21 Senate Democrats urge Biden to put reoccurring monthly $1,400 stimulus checks. Please comment below. Let me know right now. Again, do you support or are you against the $1,400 fourth stimulus check? Like I said, every single day I post daily videos. Every single day I give away free Amazon gift cards. I've given away over 21,000 all out my own pocket, guys, to help people. I've helped literally almost 1,200 people receive free gift cards. So please, if you want to support me, if you want to donate, please hit this white join button. Literally costs 99 cents, less than $1. All the money goes to help someone else in need. Every single penny, guys, goes to help someone else in need. It all goes to charity. As a member, if you click join, again, it only costs 99 cents. You get a diamond next to your name. You get members only exclusive emojis. Not only that, as a member, you have access to the members only community tab, which gives you exclusive content such as pictures, videos, live stream, posts, guys, polls, giveaways. Every single video I go live for my members only, and it only costs 99 cents. And every single month I pick a couple people. I do live stream giveaways for at least an hour or two. I give away 5, 10 free Amazon gift cards. The point of this isn't for me to actually make money. I literally lose money doing this every month. The point of it is to build the best community on YouTube where we actually just, everyone chips in $1, and then I have $100 or $1,000 that month to give away to help people, and you're kind of just paying it forward, right? Not only that, I have a Patreon. So again, if you prefer using Patreon for whatever reason, you just click the Patreon link, click join for $1, $3, guys. Again, all the money goes to help someone else in need. Not only that, finally, I have my own clothing line brand. So if you actually want to, support me heavily, $19.99 for a shirt, 100% cotton. All the designs are amazing quality. Just check the comment section. You see people literally saying, if you actually bought a shirt, just please comment below, say great shirt, let people know, because the shirts are 100% cotton, very good quality designs, very good A++ shirts, and I literally barely break even on this, guys. I just do this to help support people. Like I said, every single dollar, every single penny I actually make on this channel off ads, off people hitting join, it's just to help people, right? I literally lose money. I spent something like $15,000 last year when I did my taxes, taxes and giveaways, in a loss. I literally lost money total giving away money, guys, helping people. But that's not the point of this channel. The point of the channel is to keep everyone updated daily and to give away free Amazon gift cards to build the best community on YouTube and actually help people. I'd rather help 1 million people before I die and actually make $1 million. Thank you guys so much. That's it for today. Please hit that like, please hit that subscribe, share this on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Have a great day, everyone. Peace.